What is going on, guys? Benny here. Where have I been for the past like 6 months to a year? Well, there's a lot been happening. If you guys have been following me on YouTube, my shorts, we talked about what was going on in the garage. So with that, I had a crazy leak in the garage. We fixed that, put the drywall in, looks great. Right after that, electrical issues that my computer was connected to fried my graphics card, and with that, with COVID and the chip shortage, the cost for graphics cards right now is horrendous. So with that, it took me a little while to save up for that so I can actually have an editing computer, and that's kind of what's been stopping me. But in that time too, I was able to set up a better listening area here, and with that, so then I can listen to speakers and everything properly and get a better lay of the land for the sound in this room. And definitely with this change, it does sound a lot better in here for speakers. And then obviously I listen to my headphones and stuff and those type of components at my desk. So with that, I am sorry to all the manufacturers for not being able to put out videos this past year, really. But with that, I have been keeping in contact with them so they understand what's going on. And with that, with what we're going to be unboxing today, it's a company that I like a lot. It's iFi. So they ended up sending me their Pro iCan Signature Edition. It is a great unit. It's their highest end unit from what I can remember. And with that, I will be putting out unboxing videos throughout the week if I can, if I have the time, as well as putting out reviews every Monday from here on out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Like and subscribe and do all that cool stuff. If you do have any questions about this unit or any of my other videos, always leave a comment down below and I will answer you, no problem, if I can. Alright guys, enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Alright guys, so like in the intro, I would say, the iFi sent me a new thing because I sent them back their Zendeck version 2. They decided to go the other way and send me something way more expensive. This is the iFi Pro iCan Signature analog headphone amplifier and stereo preamplifier. So this is quite a big difference. So you're going from something that's $160 to something that's, well, around $22.50, I believe, which is kind of nuts. And I heard this is a big deal when it comes to since this is their top of the line. And one of my friends opened one of these and said it's a treat to open, so yeah. The box is super shiny. Nice. Other on the box, 14,000 milliwatts of power through the balanced, which is 14 watts per channel, I would assume, which is kind of nuts. So it's just showing you it does have its 3D holographic filter that they give out normally on all their products, most of them. Their X bass does work. It's a headphone amplifier as well as a speaker preamplifier, as I said earlier. And yeah, I don't know what these mean. Oh, this is tube. Okay, so this is solid state. It's pointing to a solid thing. Then it says tubes and then tube plus. You're just supposed to understand what those are, I guess, because if you're spending $2,250, you probably know. I have a bad thumb, cut my thumb, so we'll see if we can get this out of here. The one thing about soft boxes is there's nowhere to grip them. There we go. We'll get the main one out first. So I believe this is the device itself. And then this, I think, is their crazy power supply. Yep, it's the iElite 15 volt power supply. Look, it came in 2 of them. I think one is just for the top piece. And then, yeah, okay, so that came off of there. Awesome. All right. Put this away. This is a review unit, so that is the power supply. That is nuts. Okay, let's turn it over. Hopefully I don't break anything. Hopefully. That I will. So here's the box to the outside of that. Crazy. iFi silent power, so this guy specifically ultra speed low noise power supply. 15 volt, 3.5 amps. Dear God. 5 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, and 24 volt. So this has a warranty of 12 months, so up to a year. It's made out of aircraft grade aluminum 6063 and dark bronze for long life and excellent heat dissipation. It has the current to power the most demanding devices of $5,000 and upwards. So this has a beneath the noise floor of the iPower Elite are the following advanced circuit augmented by specialist components: active noise cancellation 2 audiophile transformers developed specifically for the Power Elite, large aluminum conductive polymer capacitors, and large input and output capacitance. 30% extra headroom for instant power delivery for exceptional transients, and noise-free adaptive multi-mode controller. Wow. Okay. So it's just a badass power supply. Obviously, iFi fashion. Whew. Look at that. Give you a gold braided power supply in. Trying to take this out. Little silica bag. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that thing. Holy moly. It's bronze gold. That thing is probably like almost 2 pounds. Yeah, it's like 2 pounds. It's solid. Hitting my ring against it. They might not like that, but. So, I need that out. Thank you for buying this $2,250 thing. Okay, so you got the AC plug. Probably use that guy. Take the plastic thingy off. This comes with different. What comes in this box? So, this comes with another one of these guys. It's pretty cool. Just a little plug. Okay. Yeah, just a little plug. If you have different plugs, they give you 4 different kinds. I believe this is the one we will be using. I think. Unless yeah, well, that should work, right? Yeah, this is the warranty. I'll take that out and we'll see if it's the correct plug. This already has a plug on the end of it, so it could just be something added. I'll leave that out. Close this guy up. Man, a lot of packaging. I want to make sure you know it's an iFi product. Right. So we'll put that back in there. This will go back in here. This will go back in here. Oh man. All right. And we got the power supply out. Beefy ass power supply. Remember this guy, this is a headphone amp. Think about it. And a preamplifier for speakers. Nice and slow. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So this has a kind of like a two-tone on top. It's brushed aluminum. It does have two NOS General Electric 5670 tubes in it. For the tube, you can change it to solid state as well as Tube Plus. So that's the front of it. Look at that guy. Holy moly. So this is the inputs. So it gives you 1, 2, 3 and balanced. This is the X bass. If you guys want to see that. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. Maybe, there you go. So yeah, X bass, different input selector. Very nice knobs as always. This one, clicky. Left XLR and 1/4 inch. Balanced for headphones in the center. Right. This is the 3D holographic knob for speakers and headphones. So they give you, this might be, alright, so we also do have a balanced 4.4 single-ended, holy moly, single-ended, and this is your tube. So much going on here. So this is the tube selector. Come on, camera. Tube selector. X bass amounts in decibels. So you get 10, 20, 40. And then on this side, like I said, 3D holographic, 30 plus, 60 plus, 90, 60 plus. Like I said, 4.4 millimeter. 4.4 millimeter. And then this is your tubes, solid state, tube, tube plus, and this is your volume knob. Not as good as the Zendak. You can feel some resistance there, but not bad. So with that, that's the front. Then you have a IR reader for the remote. On the back, balanced outputs, 1, 2, 3. And then your balanced, oh, these are balanced inputs, sorry. Inputs, single-ended. And then balanced outputs, unbalanced outputs. And this is your DC loop out and your 15 volt 4 amp DC plug. Then you have an ESL link if you have pro audio gear. Not bad. Everything you need. So the only balanced DAC I have on me right now is my own Modius DAC. So I will be using that to send this guy signal. Sorry guys for that, my camera hunting for the what to look at, so sorry about that. It's definitely something I need to change. Get a better camera for focus. What else is in here? We didn't do that. So in here, the remote and one single-ended left and right cable. We'll use that sometime. So I should be getting my Vidar soon, so then I can use this with my Vidar into speakers, which will be very cool to test. Anything in here? It's just the manual and a gigantic silica packet and the warranty. So, not bad. Nothing crazy in this box. Alright guys, so, and the thing is about this too, is the way this looks, it looks like it was milled wrong, right? Or like brushed incorrectly. This actually is wavy on the top. So this has, that's why it looks like that. It's dimply across here. It's pretty cool. Anything on the bottom? This big rubber piece right here to help with resonance, I would assume, as well as make it look like it's floating. And yeah, this is the iFi Pro iCan Signature Edition. You can see it right there on the bottom. You guys probably can't see that, but crazy. So yeah, I think I can just use this plug. You know, the back here. I don't think I'm gonna need this, but I'll probably read the directions to see which one I need. Don't think we'll need it though. I think this is for a different version, because the way this plug is, yep, I think this is meant for different country. Alright guys, well that's the unboxing of the iFi Pro iCan Signature Edition. Review will come out soon. I know this has been a long unboxing, but this is exactly what my friend said. It's kind of a treat to open up something so high, decently high-end, as well as I'm sure it'll be awesome to listen to. I will see you then. Later.